Don't follow the majority, follow the right way. Don't follow the majority, follow the right way. Your mind must be stronger than your feelings. Your mind must be stronger than your feelings. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. Be strong and move on. It's time for you to be happy again. Be strong and move on. It's time for you happy again. Good things come to those who wait. Better things come to those who don't give up. And the best things come to those who always believe. God bless.